Today on CJ Pony Parts, we're going to show you how to make your Focus ST breathe and sound a whole lot better with some help from CPE. The Focus ST is a great performing car right from the factory, but it's a little bit too quiet for our liking. So today we're going to make it breathe and sound a whole lot better by installing the CPE CATBACK exhaust. This is CPE's 3-inch CATBACK exhaust for the 2013 to 18 Focus ST. It was made right here in the USA of high-quality 3-inch mandrel-bent 304 stainless steel tubing with a high-flow muffler and twin stealth pipes for a killer sound, and it gets finished off with a set of 4-inch polished stainless steel tips. It comes with everything you need for an easy install and a perfect fit. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: 10mm socket, 13mm socket, 14mm socket, a 3/8 ratchet, 15mm socket, 1/2-inch ratchet, 9/16 wrench, 14mm wrench, and a sawzall. Alright, so we are at the front of the CATBACK where the exhaust meets the downpipe. The first thing we're going to do is get the nuts off of here to separate the CATBACK from the downpipe. We're going to be using a 14mm socket here, but these nuts look extremely corroded, so it's possible this might even break. But we're going to find out. Now, with a little bit of penetrating lubricant or even some heat, if these are super rusty, you should be able to break them free. Now we're towards the rear of the exhaust. This is right before the rear axle, and to remove this factory exhaust, you actually have to cut it. So find a location on the exhaust here near the rear axle, preferably on a straight part, not on a bend, and we're going to make a cut so we can remove the muffler and the front section. We're going to cut right about here. We're going to be using a sawzall to do this. Now we're going to make this cut. If you have a friend or someone that can help, it's going to make it a little bit easier if you can have someone hold this so it doesn't vibrate as much. Now we're going to start removing some of the hangers. We're going to remove this hanger on the mid pipe here. It's not required, but an exhaust hanger removal tool will really help out with this. If you want, you could try to wrestle this exhaust out, but it's probably going to be pretty difficult. As you can see, it's hung up on this cross member here. It's only 2 bolts to take this off, so it's going to make it a lot easier to remove this. And out she comes. Next is going to be this hanger right here, right above the rear axle. It's kind of tricky to get to. Then there's 2 more. There's a hanger on each side of the muffler. And the muffler can now be removed. We're ready to assemble our CPE CATBACK exhaust. What you want to do is assemble the muffler and the Z-pipe before you put it onto the car. You want the CPE logo on the muffler facing down, and then on the Z-pipe, you want this hanger facing the driver's side. Slide a clamp over it. Slide the 2 together, and then it can go onto the car. Lift up your muffler assembly and get it into this rubber hanger. Definitely want to apply some lubricant to this to make it a little easier. Now I'm using my head to support this exhaust, but if you have some friends, get a friend to hold it up for you and reinstall this cross member here. Install a new bolt into the downpipe, and then hang the gasket from that. Line up the exhaust. Just loosely install a washer and nut. Rotate the gasket up. Get the other bolt through. And then the washer and nut. Don't tighten it down just yet. Leave it a little bit loose. Place a clamp over the Z pipe, then install the over axle pipe. This one might be a little tricky. Get it into the Z pipe first. Then you can get it into the rubber hanger. Slide a clamp onto the over axle pipe. Then you can install the tailpipe assembly. Once it's on the over axle pipe, get it into the hangers. Use a 9/16 wrench and a 14mm socket to tighten the front bolts and nuts. Now we're going to tighten the clamp connecting the Z pipe to the muffler with a 15mm socket. Do this for the rest of the clamps. Next thing we're going to do is install our Stealth canisters on the side pipes. You can now finally do the exhaust tips. Slide the clamp over and the tip on, and get the clamp over the tip and pipe. All right, let's hear how it sounds. Okay, we got our CPE CATBACK exhaust installed in our Focus ST. It's definitely a very unique looking and sounding exhaust. I'm personally a big fan of the 4-inch polished tips. I think it looks great. I'd say give yourself 2 hours to install this, and before you know it, you'll be heading down the road. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here. And for more videos like this one, click this playlist.